members of the media, General Manager of Kuching Specialist Hospital, my fellow colleagues, staff of the hospital, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the launching of our effort here, Perubatan. Ladies and gentlemen, road accidents remain a leading cause of accidental death for children. Besides death, if they survive, they are unfortunate enough this may lead to unfortunate, serious or life-changing injuries such as loss of limbs, loss of movements due to spinal injuries, and loss of intellectual function due to head injuries. In fact, the Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research shows that children inside private vehicles are the first leading cause of traffic-related death among children aged 1 to 4, about 40%. And it's the second leading cause of death for children aged 5 to 9, 30%. So now it has changed. The past to be children knocked down by cars. That means they are outside of the cars when they are knocked down by speeding cars or cars that are out of control. But nowadays we have to pay emphasis on our children who are inside our own private cars. Yeah? The use of seat belts, therefore, is a very important precaution to take to prevent injury in motor vehicle accidents. The WHO global status indicates that proper use of properly installed seat belts and seat and child restraints actually reduce the cost of death in infants by about 70%, and death among smaller children like toddlers by about 54 to 80%. So, ladies and gentlemen, by improving the awareness in the public, especially parents, and trying to facilitate changes in their behavior, all these unfortunate death, fatal injuries, serious injuries with very debilitating consequences may be prevented. Hence, I urge all parents to always place their children in a proper child restraint on every car ride. This campaign is part of Kuching Specialist endeavor to be the preferred health care provider, and we are committed to improve the health and quality of care of the community we serve by becoming more creative and working in close collaboration with other organizations and segments of society to ensure that our contributions to better society bring a difference to them. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you once again for your presence in our launch for this Buckle Up Baby campaign. Thank you very much.